This mobile healthcare van is brightening up people's lives. In Pakistan, trucks are painted in a bright and colourful style, celebrating people, places and events. During the terrible floods that washed away people's homes, the van brought life-saving medicines to the people who needed them the most. Truck artists Ali, Salman and Khan decorate the van to celebrate the stories of people who lived through the floods. Children like Ayra, whose mother Sultana brought her to the clinic. We are happy to see the painting on the truck. I am filled with joy and so is my daughter. The truck is on the road again, supporting more of our global neighbours who are sick and brightening up more people's lives.